first contestant is from Pasig City. James, my name?
My name is Jenny. And I'm 5 years old.
Ano ang talent mo?
Manalo ako.
Ano?
Naka-acting ka, kakanta.
Okay, ready? Pakita ng talent. Ang contestant number 1. Mag-o 8-8. 8. Thank you very much. And now our contestant number 2 from Patero.